Hey, thank you for visiting the Lakeside Yard Services YouTube channel. I got a pretty cool video right here. We started out with building what's called a beach patio using recycled concrete for the retaining walls, backfilling with your traditional native red clay, and then using a top dress of granite screedings, giving a very white beach sand look. Additionally, we built just a simple stacked half-moon fire pit. And then we had to remove the old above ground pool and then re-level the ground and put new covering over it, and then reinstalling a new above ground pool, and then finishing out with asphalt sand walkway, premium black mulch, and some additional aggregate hardscaping as well. Pretty cool project here. So if this is something you're interested in having done, please give us a call at 864-916-2018. Thank you very much.